Did you ever feel like you want to help more, but you're not sure where your money is going? Or maybe you're already giving to charities, but you wondered, am I doing it right? Well, if you're a federal or a postal employee, you might not realize just how many simple ways you have to give more meaningfully and even smarter. And I mean that in every single way: impact, peace of mind, and even tax savings. So let's talk about it. We enjoy producing these videos, and if you find value in them, would you please click the like and the subscribe button? Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts on Saturday. And back to the videos. Giving should feel good, not confusing, not stressful, not full of question marks. So today I'm going to walk you through how charitable giving works specifically for you as a federal or postal employee. And more importantly, how to make the most of it. So let's start with the why. Well, why do we give? Some of us give because we've seen hard times ourselves, some because we've been lucky and we want to share, and some because it's just what we do. Whatever your reason, giving is one of the most powerful things that you can do. And here's the part many people often miss. Giving can also be strategic. You don't have to choose between giving from the heart and making smart money decisions. You can do both. And especially true if you're a federal or postal worker. So how can you give smarter? Well, let's talk about tax benefits. If you itemize your deductions, you may be able to deduct your charitable giving from your tax income. That money back in your pocket, or that money stays in your pocket. But this is important. Not every organization qualifies for a tax deduction. That's why you need to check that the charity is approved by the IRS. One easy way to do this is use IRS Publication 526 or sites like Charity Navigator to find your trusted organization. And if you're donating over $250, you'll need a written receipt from the charity to back up some of your contributions at tax times. It's simple, but so many people forget that part. Now let's talk about something that's really tailored for you as a federal employee. It's actually called the Combined Federal Campaign, or CFC for short. You've probably heard about it before, or maybe you didn't know it could make your giving easier. You see, with CFC, you can choose from a long list of vetted, approved charities, or also give through an automatic payroll deduction. You don't have to worry about remembering to donate each month. You don't have to worry about finding trustworthy nonprofits. CFC already has done the work for you. You just choose the cause that matters to you, whether it's a disaster relief, veteran services, animal rescue, cancer research, and set it up. Plain and simple. And here's something else that might surprise you as well. If you donate through the CFC, you're already getting those tax benefits we just talked about. The setup just takes minutes. The impact, well, that lasts a whole lot longer. And if you're someone who wants a little more control or a little more flexibility with your giving, there's another option: donor advised funds. These things are actually cool. They are basically charitable investment accounts, and you put the money into the account up front. You get a tax deduction up front, and then you decide over time which charities you want to support. It's a good option if you want to give consistently but aren't sure yet where your money will do the most good. Fidelity Charitable, Schwab, and Vanguard all offer these accounts. They're well-known, secure, and simple to use. They don't know federal benefits, but they do know those types of charitable accounts. So be careful. Don't let them give you benefit advice, in my opinion. That's the legal disclaimer anyway. And look, we get it. Between work, family, and life in general, this might feel like one more thing you got on your plate, but here's actually why it matters. Every dollar you give has the potential to change someone else's life. Let's figure it out here. All those rich people, the ones that we see on TV and the professional ball players and such, I'm sure they're using these things because they all have their own endowment funds, they all have their own scholarships and things like that. And the better you actually plan your giving, the further that dollar actually goes, just like for them. That's why we're here at the Benefit Coordinators to help federal and postal employees make confident decisions about their financial future, whether it's benefits, insurance, or yes, even giving. We care about those things that you care about. We want you to feel good about where your hard-earned money goes. So before you write that next check or click that donate button and take a moment and ask yourself these questions. Is this charity trustworthy? Will this donation give me a tax benefit? Can I simplify this process with payroll deduction or a donor fund? And am I giving in a way that feels meaningful and smart? And if you're not sure how to answer these questions, reach out to us. We are always here to help guide you through with absolutely no stress and no pressure. Just support. This is the way it should be, and this is what we do. You already do so much to serve your country. This is just one more way that you can give back and feel good about doing it. Because giving isn't just about money, it's about the heart. It's about impact. It's about making your effort go as far as it possibly can. That kind of giving leaves a legacy, and you're already built for that, aren't you?